big pattern in the way that they work with numbers. 2 to the 4th, we know is 16. 8, 4, and 1. Now, if we recognize each time we go down in exponents, we divide by 2. That pattern can be reapplied. So, oops, that was my mistake, sorry. So, 2 divided by 2 gives me anything to the 0 power equals 1. So that's where that comes from. So 7 to the 0 is 1. Cat to the 0, dog to 0, anything to the 0. Now to continue the pattern, you keep dividing by 2. So if I take 1 and divide it by 2, I get 1/2 for the next one. If I take that and divide it by 2, I get 1/4, 1/8, so on and so forth. The way that I see it is, we know 2 to the 3rd equals 8. 2 to the negative 3rd equals 1/8. The difference is they are reciprocals. So if we look back over here, 4 to the negative 3rd is the same thing as 1 over 4 to the 3rd. That negative exponent means that we're talking reciprocals here. 1 over 4 to the 3rd is 1 over 64. Okay, so the rule for 0 exponents. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Simple, plain and simple like that. Something that you should know. In this problem here, what I tell kids is that anything to the 0 power you can just cross out because it's 1. 4 times 1 is 4, so this just turns into 4. You really need to understand what the exponent is actually attached to, and it's only attached to the n. So if I look here, I'm just left with y squared, because 1 times anything is itself. If I look here, just left with 5x squared. If I look over at negative exponents, plain and simple, think of the word reciprocal. Four to the 3rd equals 64. 4 to the negative 3rd equals 1 over 64. But what I really want you to understand is that if you have a negative exponent, put it in its opposite home. Plain and simple. So I can show you a few examples. Alright, so if we look here at this first example, put it in its opposite home. Only move what needs to move. So the only thing with a negative exponent is this guy. So if you think about it, its opposite home is going to be below it. 4x over y squared. That should be my answer. If I look here, this is the only thing in that problem, so it needs to move. So it needs to go below in the fraction. The only thing you can put above there, since there's nothing else to put above there, is a 1. So it becomes 1 over x squared. If I look here at this problem, this guy needs to move. It's the only thing with a negative exponent. So you move it to its opposite home, which would be up here. So this turns into x, y to the negative 3rd, sorry, positive 3rd. They turn into positives when you move them. Now, there's nothing left down below. It's just a 1, but you don't need to write that 1. It's just x, y to the third. Or at least, so, work here. This guy needs to move, and its opposite home would be down here. So if I'm going to have them both down there, I don't move y to the 4th. Y to the 4th is fine. It's good where it's at. This guy is going down here. So what's left is a 1. Now this one's kind of interesting because this is negative, so it's going to go to its opposite home. But this is negative, and it's going to go to its opposite home. So this problem is nice because it just flip-flops over. Okay, working through these problems pretty quickly. I would give yourself, or pause the video where you're at, take a second to go through and do these by yourself. So I mean it. Don't just be like, oh, Miss Amari, I'm just going to look at the video. Actually try to do these 9 problems by yourself on a separate piece of paper. And then check your answers. So for number 6, really pay attention to that because the only thing that needed to move was this guy right here. It's the only thing with the negative exponent. It's the only thing that needs to move. The only thing that needs to move is that guy down there. You don't need to write the power of 1 if you really want to, fine, but it's unnecessary. This guy needs to go down. It doesn't matter which order you put your variables in. I don't care if it's x or y that comes first, blah, blah, blah. These two guys need to flip. So those are all the answers. I would check your work. If you have questions with me, email me, ask me, whatever it is you need to do. A couple things I want to talk about. If you end up with a problem like this, move what needs to move. So this and this, they both need to come down. This guy needs to go up. So I'm going to have b to the 2nd, 4, 3 to the 1st, a to the 5th. Now let's just say I put the a to the 5th over here. B to the 2nd is good. 4 and 3 to the 1st, that is not 43. That's 4 times 3 to the 1st, which is 12. So b to the 2nd over a to the 5th, 12. Now this is what I see a lot of kids do, but numbers need to go before letters. Order matters. We're not playing Battleship. We don't say A12. That doesn't make sense. So that's the video on 0 negative exponents. Hopefully that helped.